Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unblur matches on Tinder. Alright, so let's begin. If you notice that some profiles appear blurry, it's usually because they are part of Tinder's premium features. Tinder blurs certain profiles in the Likes You section unless you have an active subscription. Most of the time, blurred matches are locked behind premium plans like Tinder Gold or Tinder Plus. These subscriptions allow you to see who has liked you before you swipe, which removes the blur from those profiles. If you tap on a blurred profile, Tinder will usually prompt you to upgrade your plan in order to reveal the full image. However, if a profile appears blurry due to a technical issue rather than a subscription lock, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try. Make sure you're connected to a stable and fast internet connection. You can also close and reopen the app to refresh it. Restarting your phone may also help fix temporary loading problems. Additionally, check if your Tinder app is updated to the latest version by visiting the Google Play Store or App Store. Sometimes outdated versions can cause images to load improperly or appear blurry, and that's it. So that's basically how you can unblur matches on Tinder. So that's all for this video.